Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with Squarespace scheduling. This integration is incredibly useful because it automatically generates Zoom meeting links for your appointments, saving you time and making the booking process seamless for both you and your clients. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have both your Squarespace and Zoom login details ready, as you'll need both to complete this integration. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to integrate Zoom. This is important because if you manage multiple sites, you'll need to set up the integration separately for each one. Now, on the left side menu, locate and click on Scheduling. This will take you to the Scheduling dashboard where you can manage all your appointment settings. This is where Squarespace stores all the tools you need to handle bookings, availability, and integrations. Then, within the Scheduling section, look at the left side menu again and click on Integrations. This is where all your third-party connections live, allowing you to sync Squarespace with other platforms you use regularly. Scroll down through the list of available integrations until you find the section labeled Video Conferencing. Under this section, you'll see Zoom listed among other video tools. Once you spot it, click Setup next to Zoom. This action tells Squarespace that you're ready to connect your Zoom account. A prompt will appear and you'll need to click Connect to Zoom. This redirects you to Zoom's authorization page, so don't be surprised when the page changes. It's a normal part of the process. At this point, you'll need to log into your Zoom account. Enter your Zoom credentials carefully. Once logged in, Zoom will ask for permission to connect with Squarespace, so go ahead and authorize the connection. This step ensures that Squarespace can automatically generate Zoom links for your scheduled appointments. After the connection is established, you'll be taken back to Squarespace where you can customize the integration. Here, you'll need to choose your appointment types. This allows you to decide which types of bookings should automatically include a Zoom link. For example, you might want virtual consultations to have Zoom links, but not in-person meetings. Next, adjust the Zoom settings according to your preferences. You can configure options like whether to enable waiting rooms, require passwords, or automatically record meetings. Take your time here to ensure everything aligns with how you run your sessions. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, click Save. Squarespace will now automatically attach Zoom meeting links to the selected appointment types, and your clients will receive the link when they book with you. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoom with Squarespace scheduling, making your booking process more efficient and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.